Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville. Today we're on this beautiful 2025 Saxdor 320 GTO. One of the most versatile boats on the water, has some amazing options on it and creature comforts. And today we're just going to give you a brief rundown of what's on here so you can come by and see this boat, take it out for a sea trial. We're going to start with the power plant, which is twin 300 Mercury Verados with the joystick package and also a bow thruster. So this boat is extremely nimble, easy to maneuver at the dock, getting into a boat slip, getting fuel anywhere you need to go. It's got the dinette table that goes down electronically, and then we have a bed that forms here. That's the rear facing lounger option on the Saxdor 320. Another amazing feature that you don't see on other boats. What's cool also, we've got the boat on a trailer with guideposts, so I can't drop these right now, but we've got beach mode on this boat. The gunnels lay down and open up, and you've got a huge entertaining area, lots of space to walk around, great place to hang out at the sandbar. When you're ready for lunch, we've got a really cool entertainment center over here, loaded up with cup holders, an electric grill, a freshwater sink, and we have a refrigerator on either side of this entertainment bar, making it really easy to get drinks. You can be anywhere on the boat and have access to a beverage. At the helm, we've got a lot of technology here. So we've got twin Simrad displays that have all the functions of your engine displayed, your GPS, navigation, sonar, etc. You've got the joystick package with the bow thruster incorporated, and this boat also has some really cool zip wake trim tabs as well. Lots of cup holders, plenty of places to sit up here at the helm looking forward. We've got some forward seating up at the bow as well. And all that comes with this awesome cabin down below, which is air conditioned. It's got a full marine head, freshwater shower down there, and a very comfortable berth. So come on out and see us at MarineMax at Beach Marine, Jacksonville. My name's Larry. You can reach us at 904-545-5310. Thank you.